Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. One of the things we hear complained about from FSH owners, especially 25 and 22 foot FSH owners, is that there's nowhere to store the factory included casting platform or table. It has a nice spot here whenever you're cruising to kind of set it in place. If you want to cast, you can cast from here. But if you want this aisleway to be open, there's really nowhere set to put this thing so it's not banging around and chipping the fiberglass all up. We've created an FSH table holder. It's designed to hold your table out of the way so that you can still use this space effectively. Secures it, keeps it from getting banged around. What's really cool about this is that the underside down low here is a really thick marine mat pad, and it's adhered to the floor. We don't require you to use any drills or screws into this lower portion because we were concerned that some might punch their drill all the way through the ride surface and maybe start getting leaks. So it's an adhesive on that first layer, but then the second layer here that gives us the height, we're using a riser and some stainless hardware. Up on top, we've got a really nice clip that we're fabbing in-house here with a bungee, and that's going to lock down the table. Let's show you how it works. Take your table, you can situate it either direction, put the wide end down, and then grab your bungee and strap it down. If you want to do it the other direction, that's totally fine too. These foam pads are designed to prevent this from banging against that. Locked in place. Really simple install, probably going to take you about 20 minutes. This is available both for the 25 FSH as well as the 22 FSH. We'll put a link in the description below so you can find it on our website. If you've got questions all about this product, do us a favor, comment below. We'll be glad to answer those questions for you. If you like what we're doing here at JetBoatPilot, if in any way we've been helpful to you at all during your journey with your jet, do us a favor, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That helps us a ton. And as always, if you like this video, check this one out.